Welcome friends. Today in this video I am going to talk about interview questions like ED, ANM, denial coding interview questions which is commonly asking nowadays. So let's get started without wasting a single time. So guys, question number 1. What is the basic difference between emergency and outpatient department? It's a very common question. So answer is, the basic difference between ED and outpatient department is that in emergency department there is no differentiation between new and established, but in outpatient there is new and established differentiation. In case of coding you can find one set of code for ED level, and in case of outpatient there are two set of codes. One is for new patient and another one is for established patient. So this is only the basic difference. Question number 2, difference between inpatient and outpatient. So answer is, outpatient is the patient comes, get treated and leave the same day, and inpatient is the patient gets admitted with overnight stay, gets treated and get discharged. Question number 3, what is the basic difference between 95 and 97 guideline? So the answer is, 95 guidelines are based on body system and 97 guideline based on bullet system and bullet point. So question number 4, what is critical care? In emergency department you can find critical care is very commonly used, and answer is, critical care is the direct delivery of service by physician of medical care for critically ill or critically injured patient. A critical illness or injury is one which accurately impaired one or more vital organ systems such that there is a life-threatening event in the patient condition. So there are some guidelines, so you have to follow that guidelines, but for interview purpose you have to know these things. So guys, question number 5, what is closed fracture and open fracture? And then answer is, closed fracture is one in which the fracture site is not exposed to outside environment, and open fracture is one in which the fracture site is exposed to outside environment. So question number 6, what are the guidelines for coding complex IND, incision and drainage? Then answer is, for coding complex IND we need at least one of the following statement in procedure note, that is packing with gauze, multiple IND procedures, blunt dissection to break up loculations. So question number 7, what are the key components in selecting ANM level of service? So answer is, history, physical examination, MDM. These are the key components for selecting ANM levels, but after 2021 outpatient ANM has been changed, so based on MDM only level is selecting, but in case of emergency department we need to calculate history, PA and MDM, all three components. So guys, question number 8, what are the element of HPI? You know HPI is a part of history. So answer is, so elements are location, quality, severity, duration, timing, context, modifying factor and associated sign and symptom. So before going to interview you have to know what is location, quality, severity, duration, description and meaning of that elements. Okay. So question number 9, patient present to ED with 2.5 cm hand laceration with foreign body, and in ER consult MD perform laceration repair, report the correct CPT code. Then answer will be 12041. This is the intermediate laceration repair code. So guys, question number 10, what is the CPT code for ED visit with comprehensive history, comprehensive exam and MDM of high complexity? Then answer will be 99285. This is the high complexity level of ED. So 99285 is the final answer and final ED level code. So guys, in this video I have taken only 10 questions. In next video I will take another 10 questions. Likewise I am going to take more than 50 questions so that you can attend interview very confidently.